we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Australian brand of sunglasses. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting and so often mispronounced luxury and fashion brand names too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. Many mispronounce it as Quay, and it may look like it, but it is to be said as Quay Sunglasses, Quay Australia, Quay. Pretty straightforward once you know Quay. Yes, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting brand names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.